Hey, Andrew, dude. You got monies in your frame, man.
Yeah, this is my money clip.
Oh, dope.
What's up, guys? Andrew here at Sportrx, and I'm joined by Tyler today to talk about the Oakley Money Clip. But before we get too far into frame details here, I would like to remind you guys to subscribe to our channel.
I think it's a good idea.
Yeah,
you should do that.
What are they getting when they subscribe?
You're getting direct line access to all of this content that we're putting out, which I'm sure you're interested in because it's interesting.
It's true. Also, let us know what you think about the money clip in the comments below. If you have any questions about the frame, put them there. We'll get back to you as soon as possible.
Let's talk about this frame, the money clip. As you saw, you can use it as an actual money clip. I wouldn't recommend doing it. You're displaying your wealth. Maybe that is a reason to do it. I don't know. But somebody could probably come in and snag it real quick. But yeah, so this is a new addition to a line that, and it shares, it's a different name, but it shares features with a very popular line that Oakley came out with last season?
That was actually earlier this year. So
Earlier
the
this
tie
year?
bar and tie bar 0.5. So kind of same idea, but you have round lenses there.
Now we have the money clip. It's all titanium, including the nose pieces, even down to all the way at the ends of the ear. Literally everything about the frame is titanium, which is pretty unique in the world of frames out there. The other thing that's pretty cool that I like is that latch design.
Yeah, very cool. Helps you to keep the glasses on your shirt there. If you bend over, your glasses aren't going to be falling out. Just an added bonus there. What about sizing?
So I would call this a small to medium fit. I think I'm a pretty solid small to medium fit, maybe verging on the medium side. Mm-hmm. And Andrew
I think they look pretty good on you.
Yeah.
And for me, my head's probably a little smaller than yours.
And they work well for you as well. I like the round shape. I think that's very in. It's a very cool look. And it's kind of a good, bold shape. A little more of a bold shape, but not as bold of a frame.
Exactly. Yeah, just super simple, sophisticated design with this one. Which is very, very cool. We like to see that.
Yeah, and it's a little different from your average frame, which a lab might call a hide bevel, where the lens actually sits inside of a bezel in the frame. This is opposite of that, where it has a really, really thin frame, and there's a groove edged into the lens that the frame actually fits into. So a little different design there, but it tends to make them very secure. Those lenses aren't going to pop out.
Getting tech with it.
Hey, I'm an optician.
You can get these at Sportrx with your prescription lenses inside of them, with Oakley Authentic lenses, with Sportrx brand lenses. We got you covered.
We got you covered. So definitely give us a call if this frame is cool, you think it's cool, it's interesting to you. We can get it in your prescription. Comment down below if you feel like we missed anything. We will get back to you. Thank you for watching.